Hi guys, Scott here from Outlaw Garage. We're out in a sunny Melbourne day. We have a new drone. So today we're here with the 356. Suzette is trying to do some time-lapse videoing as well. We have the new Avata DJI drone. It is in the bag just down there. And today we're going to try and fly it through the windows of the 356. If we can successfully do that, Suzette is going to bring her 911 up and we're going to do 2 cars. Now we've got a pile of stuff in the bag, we've got some cameras there, so what we're planning on doing is setting up all the way round the 356 to see what footage we can kind of get, and hopefully we don't break anything. Now, we are not drone experts, so we've had the DJI Air 2, which we've kind of just automatic mode, really just let it control itself, so we're not experts at all. We have only flown this DJI Avata twice, so we're hoping it is a beginner-friendly drone. We've set up one camera with a tripod there. That does get a view of the 356. I think we're going to try it with the door open first, aren't we? Yep. Doors open first, just in case we're not very good. What we're also trying is the 360 on the back. The last time we used it down here, it fell off and then took us 3 months to get the lens fixed. But there it is. So we should get a shot from the front, a shot from the rear, and then we're going to try and put the GoPro on the inside as well. So let's see how that goes. What we're going to have to do, because here's the mistake we're going to make, is that we're going to forget to turn everything on. So we do need to remember to do that. GoPro on the inside as well, facing that away into the car so we can capture what happens. So there's our new drone. We've got the goggles here, and we've actually got a memory card in the goggles so that we can record what you see through the goggles and the drone. So I think we're going to fly up, turn everything on and give it a go. I don't know how well this will go. We turned everything on, so we're recording. Here's the drone. Now, I'm not sure, because it was someone's smart idea first to do it with the doors open, but as you look through, it's not, I'm going to have to go through it a bit of an angle, aren't I? I don't know if that's easier or harder, but we'll give it a go.
He's going to put his goggles on.
We are activo.
Goggle man.
Get that out. That needs to go in my pocket.
It's so wet. I think the train driver just beeped at you.
No, I've got to line it up, and I'm not sure I'm going to be very good at this. What do you think? Oh, shall we have just a slow?
Yeah, just a slow.
It was that second door that was the problem.
So you want to try the windows?
Let's give the door one more go. Because I think I could get the door, because I got in and then I just
door.
So I'm not too sure this door thing is working at all, so we're gonna try the window. It's the shimmying through and my drone flying is not that good. Let's try the window.
Window one. One dead drone.
They're pretty durable.
Let's hope.
Not that durable, the battery fell out. I think I mustn't have clipped it right. We're back.
Show us your goggles.
We're back. I think we're through the windows.
Alright. So, I'm going to video behind it.
On your head.
I'll do it from this side.
It's that second window, isn't it?
Can we just take the door off? Doesn't sound right.
No. Oh, that wasn't good.
That went into the wall.
Yeah.
Do you have the turbo on or something? Was it just coming in too hard and fast? Oh. Panel beater.
So here we go.
Oh.
This is exactly why you have drone insurance.
Jesus.
Because that is hard and quick, eh? I don't think it sounded quite right, did it?
It didn't sound right on the far side of the car when it took off.
No.
Is it dead?
Thanks for watching the video. Please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and we're done. Yeah, I think that might have seen better days. That really hit the wall. Now, I don't know if it's this car park with new gear we buy, but that did not go well. So it sounded a little bit funny when we took off from the last collision into the door frame, but it was slow.
Gravel rash.
Yeah, look at that.
Broken guard.
And then,
Front bonnet.
yeah, I let go of the accelerator and that didn't seem to stop it from smashing into that wall. We've probably got some really good footage of that, but it hit it at a right old speed, because there we go, that's come off. There's a crack on there somewhere, and this whole assembly is technically, yeah, rooted.
Written off.
Written off. So,
Panel shop time.
yeah, look at that. It really did. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I don't know what to say to that. So, that is rooted for the day. So, we didn't get the shot we wanted at all. I'm not too sure. Let's not blame it on my flying. Let's say that the windows are slightly mismatched in the 356, but we just couldn't get it through. Stay tuned for our next video, which will be how the insurance claim process works with your DJI drone. Stay tuned, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hope you enjoy the footage. See you later, guys. Bye.